So, we got lost trying to find the entrance to the hiking trail that we were looking for, and ended up at a little visitor center, and we're asking them about, you know, the trail and where we can park to find it. And he was telling us that like more than half of the entire trail was closed due to like ice and snow, and it was going to be super dangerous if we tried to attempt it without all the snow gear and everything. So the other mountain next to it, we're like, how's skiing up there? Said it was good, said they were open. There's like people everywhere. It's like insanely packed. So we were like, let's go check that out. So, and it's a lot snowier, a lot colder than we thought. But we are currently up the mountain in this cute little ski village, and we are gonna inquire about skis, a lift pass. Oh my goodness. Cute. Pretty messed up here because of the high winds. The same hard winds that caused the resort to close down most of their ski trails. Basically what I'm saying in this clip is that we skied the smaller trails at the base of the ski resort, and we're now hiking up an unmarked part of the mountain so that we could ski back down it since the lifts were halted. Plus we got to see the beautiful views along the way up. Oh, I wonder if I can see them from here. I haven't seen snow in a long time, being from Texas, so this has been really exhilarating and fun. Alright, we're about to go back down. But how are you enjoying it?
It's fun. At least we ski in New Zealand.
You look so pink. I'm probably pink. Alright. Look at this adorable hotel room. Oh my god. I booked it. I didn't even remember booking it, but Ozzy had it in his Expedia, and then we got here and I was just, I'm blown away. Wow, this is gorgeous. We headed to Wellington, the capital of New Zealand, for the beautiful sea views, delicious food, fantastic museums, but most importantly, to go on the Weta Workshop tour. Weta Workshop specializes in concept design and prop and costume manufacturing for many iconic films I'm sure you've heard of, including Lord of the Rings, Avatar, The Avengers, District 9, lots of good stuff. The tour was about 45 minutes long and was so amazing. It was so awesome being able to hear all the behind the scenes on how the props and costumes were made and their insane creative process behind it. No filming or videos were allowed on the actual tour, so I just got a bunch of clips from the gift shop and waiting rooms. I highly recommend checking this place out if you love movies or if you just want to learn more about how films are made. Super fun. All right, guys. We found what we came to Wellington for. We found it. And now my life is complete. Ozzy's unamused. He thinks I'm a psycho. I was just so excited to see this hand. Oh my god, he's beautiful. I love him. We then spent a lot of time exploring the Museum of New Zealand Te Papa Tongarewa. They had some pretty incredible exhibits when we visited, including a huge confetti room, interactive digital displays, and an exhibit called The Scale of Our War, a project that they brought to life with Weta Workshop that was so breathtaking and so moving, I actually shed a tear or two walking through it. We sadly only had enough time in our road trip to spend a day and a half in Wellington. So after visiting the impeccable views from the Mount Victoria lookout and eating an enormous amount of Thai food, we headed out to the ferry that would carry us to the southern island. I made the mistake of being a total loser who got seasick on the ferry and slept most of the ride, but Ozzy got some great videos of the crystal oceans and the passing islands that the ferry floats through. Once we got off the ferry, we drove 5 hours in pure darkness to Hokitika, where our next hotel was booked. We swear on our lives that we both saw a ghost going down the long, empty highway surrounded by creepy, snowy mountains. Total darkness. Yeah, that ghost was definitely there, so be careful if you're ever driving down that road in the dark. Stay tuned for more insane adventures with us as we head to Franz Josef Glacier. We went on the hardest trek of our lives and took a helicopter tour up the glacier. It was amazing. You do not want to miss it.